Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be like an Nayanthara makeup inspiration look. So let's get started with the video. First of all, I'm using this aloe vera gel to moisturize my face. I've done the moisturizing part, and then I'm just using the Nivea Men aftershave balm as a primer for my makeup, as it gives a good base for the makeup. Then I'm using Wet n Wild Photofocus correcting palette. In this palette I am using the green shade to cover my dark circles and red patches of the skin. Then I'm using a blender to blend the cream. Then I'm using Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. I'm applying this throughout my face and then blending with blender again. Then I am using my L'Oreal Paris Matte Magic Powder to set in on my eyes. Then I am using my Maybelline Nudes palette here. From the palette I am using a cream color to cover my eyes first. Using this chocolate brown shade first to apply on my eyes, blending it well. Then I am using my black eyeliner to line the upper lid. And I am taking the black shade from the Maybelline nude palette and applying it all over my eyeliner and smudging it well. Then I am using L'Oreal Paris Matte Magic Powder to apply all over my face. Then I am applying the chocolate brown shade again over the eyeliner and the smudge look. Then I am using my MAC Kohl pencil to line my waterline and lower lip. Once I am done with lining the lower lid, then I am smudging it using a brush. Also I am using the chocolate brown shade to create a shadow for my eyes on my lower lid. Then for mascara I am using my MAC Hot and Naughty Lash. I am doing several coats of mascara, as in this look like she will have multiple coats of mascara and then false eyelashes. Then for filling my eyebrows, I am using the same chocolate brown color from the palette and lining my eyebrows, as she would have thick eyebrows in this look. I am repeating the same eye look for the other eyes as well, and then filling my other eyebrows. So with this, the eye look is completed. Then I am using my Wet n Wild pearlescent pink blush for my cheeks. I am contouring using my Makeup Revolution Freedom Pro Strobe palette with brush. I am contouring with a dark shade all over my cheeks. I am giving a shape to my face. Also I am contouring my forehead and sides of my nose with a darker shade. Then I am using the white shade from the Wet n Wild Photofocus Correcting Palette to highlight my nose, tip of my nose, forehead and chin. Also I am highlighting my cheeks. Additionally, I am using Wet n Wild Hustle and Glow loose highlighting powder to highlight my cheekbones. Finally, I am using my lip liner to line the lips, and I am using the lipstick Rosy Sunday from Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte series. So I have tried my level best to replicate the same look from the pic, and so here's the final and complete look. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload video. And if you like the video, please don't forget to share to your friends and hit on the like button and do comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.